Fuck you.
Fine then. I'll go my own. Oh wait, no, I shouldn't.
You need to be adventurous and free. Oh god, poison. And now that's our poison, yeah.
Well, even like the one it turns into a ghost anyway.
It does?
Yeah, apparently.
Well, it kind of an item for both of us then, I guess.
Guess so. I'm going to the left a little further. Oh, there's one of those little things where you have a chance of getting an item.
Son of a bitch. Oh, wow, I was all the way over here and I still got XP.
Fuck you, ghost piece of shit. I don't know if us separating's a good idea, but that's what's happening apparently.
Yeah.
I don't get why you're getting most of the experience when I kill things sometimes. It's weird.
Because I deserve it.
Apparently.
Damn, I didn't get an item from it. Ah! That didn't happen.
Are you going to
Ah! I need to stop. I need to stop falling. It hurts a lot. You picked up a mortar tube.
Yep, it looked cool, so I got it.
They are cool. I want one.
I bought it.
I want it. You're a cocksucker. Rich, there's an item down here, but I can't take it because it says that I need to share.
Exactly!
So get the hell down here
I'm trying
and take
to.
this item because I can't.
Where are you?
Follow where the XP's going when you kill things. Oh god. Dead end, Rich.
What?
Dead end.
How do you know where I am?
Because I see you.
God damn it.
See, it's right here, but I can't take it.
Really? It's right there and you can't...
It says share. What?
Well, I can't go... I had to go up, because apparently...
Ooh, attack drone. I don't have enough for it, though.
Oh, come on, don't be a piece of crap.
Don't be a piece of crap.
I'm gonna try to just run through these guys instead of fighting. Just to pick him up that item as well. Down here then?
Where are you? Did you get the thing?
Oh, this.
It's like a time
Keep
capsule.
your secret.
You just got a crap load of EXP. What? That makes me sad.
Oh god. Eat my missiles, fucks.
Oh yeah, you still have that use item, don't you?
I do. I'm trying to get down to you so we can fight together, Nick.
Well, I can see you, so you're going the right way.
Well, speaking of which...
Oh, I want some of that money.
How much might you have?
Like 190 something?
I have 415.
You bitch! I don't know what to take. I'm gonna take the mystery one. It's a teddy bear.
One, that's cool.
Reduces damage by 14%. How am I supposed to get... Oh yeah, there's a jump thing.
I think I need help, Nick.
Where? Why? I'm coming back.
My one particular enemy who will not die.
Can I fucking get over there? Yeah, I can.
Well, I finally killed the one that wouldn't die. This is ridiculous.
Well, it's on hard now.
I'm just gonna keep on moving to the left. I'm gonna keep on moving to the left. It's my only hope at this point. Oh, I can rest on the branch here. Fuck you all. In fact, eat fucking laser. I mean missile, not laser. I'm retarded.
Ooh, that was nasty. Ooh.
What's nasty?
Big hit. That's all. You know, there's a shrine up there that takes health. Up here. 60 health. To get something. I think that's permanently, though.
I'll find out. No, it's not.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Then, I'll try the 90. Oh, I got something!
Enemies by following, apparently. Oh god. We already been at the second boss yet.
It's cool. Well, we really need to find the portal.
We do.
Let's just focus on that. Because we have a good amount of stuff, I think. Oh, there's how much stuff do you have?
Much? I have a... What do you mean how much stuff?
Because there's an error, yeah.
I don't know, man. Oh, 4.
I have 5.
Where is it?
1, 2, 3, 4. No, I actually have 6. Well, there's a chest right there if you can get to it, and there's a thing where we can buy stuff up there.
Let's go up there. I can't get that chest.
Ah, can we get there? Oh, yeah, you can. You can buy the stuff. I'm gonna go get the chest. Ah! God.
What does the knife do? I can't remember.
It, gives the enemy a chance to bleed. I think. The medkit heals you, obviously. What? Oh, God!
Oh, no!
Oh! I'm getting on the ground right now. Oh, jeez.
Oh, he just ate my ass.
Oh, no, oh, no, oh. Oh, oh. Rich! Don't die on me! Oh, there's 2 of them! There's 2 of them! Why? This is what happens when you take too long.
What do you mean when I take too long?
It's all your fault!
We both took too long.
Oh! No! No! Oh god, it broke for a minute. It's okay now.
Okay, that's good.
Ghost! Ghost, help!
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
Run, Rich, run! Save yourself. Oh. Oh. One of them are almost dead, but I don't know which one. Oh, God. Oh, I accidentally got an item when I killed him. But it's just an item for money. He's almost dead, Rich. He's almost... Oh, God, there's another one now! Rich, get the item! Get the item up there! You need it! Increased health regeneration. You definitely need that shit. Oh, there's another... Oh, God! Rich, we need to get up here!
Oh my god, he hits really hard. I'm dead.
You're dead?
I'm dead.
I'm gonna soldier on. Oh god, it's a party. It's a party.
Oh god. We're on insane difficulty now too. Oh, there's another
Oh
one!
god! Oh no! No! Oh! Oh, why? Oh, God! Okay, while I'm climbing a rope, I'm not receiving damage.
I wish I'd known that. I would have shown the rope.
Oh, here's the boss. I'm gonna go for it. Oh, Jesus Christ. How am I still alive?
I have no no idea. You should be dead. But those scavengers hit really fucking hard.
Well, those aren't scavengers, those are magma worms.
Then what's a scavenger?
No idea! I have 60 health! I'm not gonna make it. 18. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm 10. Oh, yeah!
Wait, what's 50? Oh, that's how long we have to survive. What did I unlock? Oh, I was killed by a greater wisp, apparently.
I was killed by a spinner! How are you killed by a oh yeah, those fire things are greater wisps.
Just return to the lobby then?
Well, this was Risk of Rain.
What, you aren't gonna go again?
You wanna go again?
Good.
Should we?
Well, maybe, but another time. For now, that was the first video we've ever made.
Well,
So
I
we
mean,
hope you enjoy. Please like, favorite, and subscribe.
there's no favoriting it. Wait, there is favoriting.
Oh my god.
Like, comment, and subscribe if you liked our video. Which I don't know why you would. Because this is garbage.
Okay, that was a good ending. Okay, now let's actually stop the recording.